G'day, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna fuck up my life. I am currently staying at my best friend's house because I'm like in between houses because I'm like moving, and obviously it's COVID and I am very bored, and she is a very busy person, so she is out in the recording studio today, and I was like, how can I keep myself entertained, and how can I fuck up my life today? Because it just felt like one of those days. I just woke up and I was like, I just want to ruin it. I just want to ruin my life. So I have purchased copper hair dye and bright like hoe lipstick red hair dye, and I'm gonna try and do a balayage, but I don't know how to even pronounce it. But the lady in the, what is it called, Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, or I can't remember if it's a Priceline or a Chemist Warehouse, whatever, the pharmacy, right, the drugstore, she's like, oh, would you like some help? And I was like, oh, nah, I'm just trying to, you know, screw up my life with hair dye today. So she helped me pick out the ones that are probably going to blend together. So I got the same brand, and then I was supposed to buy, like, you know, those little, you know when you go to the hairdressers and they have those huge clips, you know, so you can like twist your hair up and shit so it's like out of your face and you can like get all the sides properly. Well, yeah, I was supposed to get those and then I didn't. So I also don't have any little bowls to like mix the hair dye, and I also don't have a brush. So I'm going to attempt to do this entire hair transformation with my hands. I've watched about 2 YouTube videos on it. So yeah, it should be interesting. God knows if I'll even end up posting this video because I'm probably going to hate it. At the moment, I mean, my hair's kind of nice at the moment. It's pretty beachy blonde, and then I've got like a little bit of a dark, dirtier blonde root. But I'm gonna screw all that up today for your entertainment. So like my inspiration for this is this chick that I follow on Instagram. I've followed her for years and years, and she just has the fucking coolest hair, and it's like dark red at the top, and then it's like orange, and then it's like yellowy blonde. And I am going to create a terrible version of that, and hopefully it turns out alright, because I do, and yeah, let's just see how it turns out. Let's just get straight into it. Right, I'll see you in the bathroom. I'm back and I'm looking much more scruffy than I was before because I had to take out my earrings and I look kind of gross. But anyway, this is Santa shirt. So I thought we can sacrifice this one to the hair dye gods today. And I've got the bad boys. And the tools that I'm going to be using today are my hands. Oh, it's going to end so badly. Okay, what do? I should start with dark red. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm supposed to leave it on for 30 minutes, so that doesn't sound too bad. So, oh no wait, it said to put the gloves on first, because obviously this shit's poisonous. I always hate these gloves, they never fit my hands properly. Nah, these are not too bad. Alright, I'm piercing the cap. Oh god, it's getting kind of real now, I'm kind of scared. I'm sorry about this terrible framing, you can't even see anything I'm doing, but I'm just squeezing goop from a bottle into another bottle, so it's really not that exciting. Okay, I've just very badly sectioned my hair. So I'm just gonna do this first chunk first. We're at the point beyond no return.
Oh, honey.
I'm so scared. The fact that I can't see the back is kind of terrifying. God, how do people do this? So at this point, I kind of just stopped talking to the camera because I was trying to concentrate. The process in all to get all the colour through my hair probably took about half an hour. I spent about 20 minutes doing the red because I wanted to make sure I got it into the roots. But yeah, it kind of looks okay at the end of this clip.
Oh no!
So this is it all done, all the colour is in, and I'm just gonna wait about another 8 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it out. Oh god. So I've washed it all out, I've conditioned it, and this is what it looks like first thing out of the shower.
Damn, baby, what you do to your hair?
Kind of scared that my eyebrows don't match my face anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna blow dry it and put some makeup on so I don't look crazy, and then we'll see how it actually looks. And then I'll probably film a little bit of me like outside so we can see like the real color, because obviously like it's gonna look different indoors. But so far I'm pretty happy with it. Also, I really liked that hair dye that I used, because most hair dyes, one, stink so bad. Like obviously, like it still smelled, but it wasn't as bad. I definitely, when I dye my hair, it definitely irritates, and I usually feel like a burning sensation around the 20-minute mark, but I didn't really notice that at all. Like it definitely got a little bit hot towards about 35 minutes. Actually, this one was really nice, so hopefully when I dry it, it kind of looks like how I want it to. I'm back again. My hair isn't fully dry because I can't blow dry my hair because there's like renos being done and they've got the electricity turned off. But it's been drying for about, I reckon, maybe 40 minutes. And I'm done my makeup so I don't look like so much of a creature. And I think I love it. There's definitely some chunks that I've missed on the side that are like still very blonde, but I don't think they're too noticeable. I think I would have benefited from keeping that copper in a little bit longer, but I was super stressed that like this was gonna like hurt my hair if I left this in, because I had this in for about 20 minutes before I started putting in this lighter orange. So I think I might do a second round of the lighter orange and then maybe just bleach the tips of my hair to make them even lighter. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out now. I'm pretty happy with it so far, but again, I'll show you how it looks outside a little bit later once it's dried. Hello, it's been like a full week since the last clip I showed you of my hair, because as I said in that clip, they didn't have electricity turned on at the moment, so my phone died, so I couldn't actually film what my hair looked like outside, and then I just totally forgot about it. But this is like a week later. It's actually faded a whole heap. I'm really sad that I didn't get to show you guys what it looked like when it was first done, because it was super nice and bright, but you can see that in the last clip. But this is what it looks like outside. It's still like, there's definitely some chunks of blonde that I missed that you can definitely notice a lot more now, but overall I'm still pretty happy with it. I think I'm gonna give my hair another 2 weeks, and then I'm going to re-dye it all, and I'm gonna do the copper again, and I'm probably gonna bleach the tips a little bit more blonde, just because I want it to be a little bit more dramatic than what it is already. I've just inserted 2 photos that were taken on the day that I actually dyed it, so this is kind of more accurate to what it looked like on the day after it dried. But overall, yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I've been having a lot of fun being a redhead. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit of a shamble. Also, if you like my eye makeup, I will be uploading a makeup tutorial with like a full 90s glam look. Yeah, overall, I'm satisfied with how my hair turned out, especially considering that like I had no idea what I was doing and I had no tools, and I just completely did it with my hands. Like, I think it turned out pretty decently, although the colors have faded a lot, which is annoying. But again, yeah, in another couple weeks, let my hair just recover, and then I'll re-dye it again, and hopefully I'll be able to maintain the color and keep that orange in, because that orange faded super quick. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do anything crazy to your hair, send me a photo on Instagram at Scraps of Better Humans. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.